Hello, I'm in a 2013 Ford Flex, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from the driver's side here, we'll pop down, and you should see a hood release here. That will pull, and then that should release the safety that holds it closed up front. If this is just completely loose, you might want to double check behind here to make sure this cable's still attached. If there's no cable, you might need to address that. But up front, you should see the hood slightly loose now. So you can reach in here and right here's your lever. It's pretty far down, but you'll push and lift. Push and lift. Fortunately, it's got these nice hydraulics to hold the hood up for you. This is that lever I was reaching down to get to. But basically push this over. Make sure there's nothing bent or broken, no debris in here that needs cleaned up. If this is sticking a lot, you might need to spray some WD-40 to loosen it. That's what it was hooked onto up here. And again, make sure nothing's bent. Make sure your hood's in proper alignment as well, because if that's crooked, that could also cause you issues. But hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.